Hello and welcome to the TrueSight Operations Management continuous learning series on Events View. In this video, we are going to see how you can filter the events. This is Akshat Nimbalkar, lead product developer at BMC. If you have many events on your console, how you can filter out those events just to view the relevant events. Okay, so this is one of the TrueSight Operation Management server where I have logged in as an administrator. This is my events view, and here in this events view you will see the top section. There are two rows. The first rows belongs to the status visual filters, and the row below that, this is the severity visual filter. Now these are the toggle buttons or the check boxes, you can say. User can select the combination of the different values of the statuses, and on top of that he can again further filter it out based on the combination of the severities. So let's say if I want to filter the events and I just want to see the events which contains all the open events, I will toggle all the rest of the options and I'll keep only the open status toggle button pressed. And further, if user want to see the events only with the severity as critical on top of the open events, I'm going to remove the major, minor, warning and the information severity toggles checkbox, and I'll just keep only the critical over here. Now one thing you might have noticed is that if you change the toggle up there, the number on the severity changes accordingly. So based on the filter that you have chosen up here, the number of the severity counts for each of the toggle button will change accordingly. So let me remove this close and you'll see the critical again come back to the 6. Now these are the 6 events which are open critical, which I can see over here. Now if I add the warnings along with that, I'm going to see the 10 events over here. So these are the direct visual filters based on the two most important slots for the event, which are the status and the severity. User can further filter the events based on the time slot as well. So let's say I want to see the last 2 days events based on the filter criteria of the open, critical and the warning that I had, and I'll see only the 6 events now. So this is the additional time based filters which I can apply on top of the visual filters that I see over here. Another option of filtering the data is using the global filter option, which checks the kind of text that you have inside the slots of the event data. So let's say if I just want to search the events which contains client in any of the slot, I click on OK and I see that those visual filters are gone away, so those will be cleared off, and now this new global search is going to apply on all the events that you have, and you'll see those 32 events over here. So these are the listed of the events which contains at least one slot with client as text contains inside that. So these are the direct filters based on time, based on text and based on two most important slot are available over here. So beside these basic visual filters that just now we have talked about, we also have a facility of the custom filters, which are more advanced kind of filters. We will be talking in detail about how we can create these custom filters in the next video. Thank you for watching.